Very good morning, all of you. In the last period, we were discussing about the nature of MCQ in the chapters of chapter number 1 and chapter number 2. Now, today, in the next chapter, what type of MCQs may be there or how MCQ can be asked there? What are the probable MCQs are there? Such type of information we have to study and we have to understand from this period. Okay. Now, we are going to discuss the chapter number 3 of the business finance paper first. In that chapter also, different types of the MCQs are possible. What are the MCQs of the business finance paper first? What are the MCQs of this chapter? How those MCQs may be there? All such things you should have to know very well. Okay. In this chapter, there is a possibility of different types of the MCQs, but some possible or some probable or some certain things are there. Those things I would like to explain here. First MCQ is given there under the topic, under the chapter. What is it? Business firms prepare for knowing the net profit dash dash. This is the statement. Business firms prepare for knowing the net profit dash dash. Options are given here. Alternatives are four alternatives are given here. First is income statement, second is schedules, third is balance sheet, and the last is trading account. Trading account, it means that why these statements are prepared, the purpose of preparation of that statement you should have to know. Then you can write the answer of this question. For calculation of profit, definitely you have to understand which statement is related. Income statement. That's why what will be the answer of this question? Income statement. It means that business firms prepare for knowing the net profit from income statement. Okay. Then second question may be there. The information included in financial statement has to be dash dash, has to be dash dash. It means that whatever may be information is there in the financial statement, that information should be of what nature? Four alternatives are given there. First alternative is there confusing, second is relevant, third is good, fourth is important. Now you have to understand what alternative is right. As per the knowledge of the commerce student, you should have to guess. Okay, and there should be such statement should not be confusing. Okay, that's why first alternative is not there. What is it? Second, relevant. Relevant means proper, and that relevant statement, it means that that is the answer of this question. Okay, second option is there and that is the right option. Okay, good and important, those are not right. Okay, then third question is there, the statement that shows sources as well as application of funds. The statement that shows sources as well as application of funds is dash dash. Four alternatives are given: schedule, cash flow statement, funds flow statement, and balance sheet. These four alternatives are there. Among those four alternatives, you have to understand what statement is prepared for application of fund. Definitely answer will be funds flow statement. Very simple answer is there, and that is a proper alternative for this question. Then next question is there. What is it? The incomes and expenses. Incomes and expenses taken in profit and loss account are dash dash nature. What type of nature is there? It means that in income and expenditure account, in income and expenditure, you have to understand different types of the natures are there, revenue and capital. Okay, but what type of expenses are recorded, what type of incomes are recorded in profit and loss account? Not a capital nature, no doubt at all, not a mixed nature, no doubt at all, not a miscellaneous, but only revenue incomes and revenue expenses are recorded in profit and loss account. That's why what is the correct answer? Revenue. That will be the correct answer. Then fifth probable question is there. Sundry assets are shown in dash dash. Simple question. Sundry assets are shown in balance sheet. In which statement it is shown? Sundry assets are shown in balance sheet, because assets and liabilities are recorded in balance sheet. That's why sundry assets are recorded in balance sheet. That's why your proper answer will be balance sheet. Then sixth question may be there. The sum total of debt and equity. The sum total of debt and equity is known as dash dash capital. The sum total of debt and equity is known as a dash dash capital. Four alternatives are given here. First, fixed, second, current, third, mixed, and last alternative is there, all the above. It means that among those four, what will be the correct answer? The sum total of debt equity is known as fixed capital. What is the fixed capital? That is the correct answer. Try to understand. Then another question is there. A dash dash capital structure includes only equity shares and preference shares. Answer will be simple capital structure. What will be the answer? Simple capital structure includes only equity shares and preference shares. This will be the answer, because complex, mix, none, these are not answers. Okay, but proper alternative is what? Simple. That's why a simple capital structure includes only equity shares and preference shares. Then next question is there, that is dash dash capital is a risky form of capital. Dash dash capital is a risky form of capital. Four alternatives are given here: debt, equity, mix, and none. Correct answer will be debt capital is a risky form of capital. Equity capital does not risky. Mix, not a proper answer. None, that is also not answer. That's why what is the correct answer? Debt capital is risky form of capital. Try to understand. Then next question is there. The term dash dash means ownership funds of the company. The term dash dash means the ownership funds of the company. What is it? Equity, liquidity, control, and none. Correct answer will be equity. The term equity means the ownership funds of the company. That is the correct answer of this question. Then next question is there, which is given under the chapter. What is it? Trading on equity or leverage is measured with the help of dash dash ratio available. Trading on equity or leverage is measured with the help of dash dash ratio available. Which ratios are available here? Leverage, coverage, average, or all the above. What is the ratio is there? Simple manner. With the help of that simple manner, you can select the answer. It will be leverage ratio. Trading on equity or leverage is measured with the help of which ratio? Leverage ratio available. Okay. Then next chapter is there in our syllabi, chapter number 4. Under this chapter also different types of the MCQs are available, and those MCQs also we have to study. First MCQ is there. The statement prepared for knowing the account of profit. The statement prepared for knowing the account of profit earned is called dash dash. It means that account of profit earned is called dash dash. Which statement is there? Funds flow, income statement, cash flow statement, and reconciliation statement. With the help of these four alternatives, definitely you can guess. For understanding the profit earned, which is related statement, income statement we have to prepare. Which statement we have to prepare? Income statement we have to prepare. Then next question is there, which is given under the chapter. What is it? The business firm prepares the following. Business firms prepare the following for knowing financial position. For understanding financial position, business firm has to prepare which is account or which statement prepared. Four alternatives are given. First, trading account, not at all. Balance sheet, think about it, because with the help of balance sheet we can understand the financial position of the business. That's why that is the correct alternative of this question. Okay, then third question is given there. The relationship between figures. The relationship between figures in the financial statement is expressed by. The relationship between figures in the financial statement is expressed by dash dash. Four alternatives are there: trends, balance sheet, ratios, and profit and loss account. We have to understand the relationship. Try to understand relationship between figures in financial statement is expressed by. That's why what is the proper answer? Ratio. With the help of ratio we can find out the relationships. Okay, we can find out the relationship between two tasks. Then next question is there. What is it? The ratio used for knowing the long-term financial position. The ratio used for knowing the long-term financial position is known as which ratio? GP ratio, NP ratio, current ratio, or quick ratio. We have to understand. It means that we have to understand the long-term financial position with which ratio. Among those four alternatives, with the help of current ratio, we can understand. Okay, that's why what will be the correct answer? Current ratio. That is the proper answer of this question. Then next question is also there. The process of identifying financial strength. The process of identifying financial strength of business is called. The process of identifying financial strength of business is called dash dash. It means that with the help of financial strength, you can understand how business is. That's why the process of identifying such type of financial strength of business is called. Four alternatives are there: accounting, not at all; costing, also not at all; financial analysis and financial statement. Remaining two alternatives are there. But with the help of analysis, we can understand the financial strength of the business. That's why financial analysis, this will be the correct alternative of this question. Then next question is there. Dash dash shares are regarded as the cornerstone of the financial structure of the company. Dash dash shares are regarded as the cornerstone of the financial structure of the company. Four alternatives are there. First, equity or ordinary shares. Second, preference shares. Third, redeemable shares. And last, none of these. It means that with the help of which share we can establish our business. Simple answer will be there: ordinary or equity shares. And those are real owners of the company. That's why this answer is right. Then next question is there. Dash dash do not carry any charge. Dash dash do not carry any charge on the assets of the company. There are four alternatives. First, equity shares. Second, preference shares. Third, debenture holders. And the last, all the above. It means that these four alternatives are given here, and with the help of those alternatives also we have to find out, we have to choose the right answer. Because which alternative do not carry any charge? Simple question will be owner does not charge any. Owner does not charge on the asset. Okay, that's why equity shares, that will be the proper answer. Then next question is there. Sweet shares are in the form of dash dash shares. Sweet shares are in the form of dash dash shares. Four alternatives are given. A, equity; B, preference; C, bonus; and D, all. Sweet shares are in the form of equity shares. In which form? Equity shares. That's why equity is the correct answer of this question. In this way, these probable questions are there. With the help of those questions, you can study. Okay, thank you very much.